Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be giving my reviews on the brand called Wow Skin Science. And I quite like this brand and bought a lot of products, but I totally like the vitamin C range, and these are the vitamin C range. But I also wanted to show this one which I had currently bought. This one is the Greek yogurt one. This is from Wow Skin Science, the Greek yogurt one. This, I wouldn't say that it is a brightening face wash, but it is so gentle and very good if you are like having breakouts, acne or something like that. And it's very nice when you have these kind of situations. You can use this. It's very gentle and not at all harsh to your skin. Yeah, this is the packaging. Really nice. What's the price? Okay, it's 250. It's 249, so you can just round off and it's 250 rupees. Quite nice one in this. And you get 100 ml in this, and it is dermatologically tested as all Wow products. And if you want to check out the authenticity of this product, you can just scan this QR code given over here to check the authenticity of the product, if it is real or fake. Yeah, so I really like this product, quite liked it. The next one is all the vitamin C range that I have, and this is the Wow Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Wash, and this has liqueurs, extracts, and it is infused with orange and lemon oil, which is really good for skin, as you all know. And it is also dermatologically tested. You get 100 ml in this one, and it's also for rupees 249, which is approximately 250 rupees, and it's quite good. And this is actually brightening, and I found very nice results for this one. This is not really gentle, I would say, but it's really good for brightening your skin. Okay, next product is this one. This is the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C face serum that you get, and it is 20%, and it suits all skin types. It is dermatologically tested, as you all know, and this is of 30 ml, and it is made in India, obviously. Yeah, so Wow products are always made in India, and this is the price over here. It's quite costly. It's for 699, which is almost 700, and we don't usually spend so much of money on a face serum, but this time I thought of spending it on Wow. So now we're gonna open and just show you. So this is the packaging that you get. So when you open this packaging, you get this cute little bottle. This is a glass packaging bottle, and you have to open this. Ouch, it's not a problem. Yeah, this is the thing, and it's quite new because I didn't use it till now. And this is the product. It's like a gel kind of consistency. Ouch, it was much more than I wanted to take out, but this is a gel kind of consistency. It is really good for, yeah, this is an oil kind of consistency, but it's really nice and nicely blending. I can see it's a gel kind of consistency, and I quite like it because it's good for oily skin. Like, you can just apply it, and that's it. What you have to do, I just use it on my skin normally and naturally. Yeah, it's dissolving. Yeah, you can see nothing is there after some time. It just vanishes like magic, and you get to see the results in an overnight. And this is the next thing. This is the Wow Vitamin Science face cream that you get, and this has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. And first, let me tell you, I bought this 1 year ago, before the launch of hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal Paris and that toner and everything. So this is totally unsponsored. Okay. And yeah, this has the net volume of 50 ml, and this is also a bit costly. This is of 599 rupees. I don't need to check it because it's faded out, and I used it for a very long time. So it's 600 rupees, 599, yeah, approximately. And what you need to do is just open it and just do it like this. I know it's not like coming out because it always gives me trouble. So if you don't get it after using so much of long time, you just open it, use it, and this is the quantity. It's quite nice quantity. I don't know why it doesn't comes out. It's giving a lot of problem like that, but still I really like to use this product. It's quite light and dissolves. And let me show you a demo, by the way. I'm not showing you guys. Okay. Take a little bit of product. You can use it on face, but I'm showing it to you on my hand. So just use it like this, and it completely dissolves. Nothing over here. So yeah, it's quite nice for oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, and sensitive skin, every skin type, but not really good for dry skin. I would not really recommend it because it vanishes on your skin just like magic. So here are all the products that I love from Wow, and especially the Greek yogurt one. It's so gentle and so nice. It moisturizes your skin and doesn't leave your skin really dry after wash. So this I would really recommend, and all the vitamin C. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and also don't forget to comment down below what you want to watch next, or what review do you want for my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and yeah, don't go outside your home, stay in lockdown, stay shopping, and that's it. Bye bye.